Hey guys, today I'm going to be tackling my kitchen and I really hope that this motivates you to get your house freshened up for summer. Hey guys, it's your girl Sherrell and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning my kitchen and I'm going to tackle things that I hate cleaning, starting off with my oven. I will be using 3 ingredients to deep clean my oven: baking soda, water, and vinegar. Right now I am mixing baking soda and water and I'm eyeballing to get the paste-like consistency that I'm looking for. Once accomplished, I will apply this mixture in my oven and spraying vinegar to loosen up the grease.
All night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy?
I was feeling like a kid and I just had to share how I feel about you guys. It's just so cool to see the reaction of vinegar to baking soda as it helps lift stubborn grease. Next, I'm placing my oven racks into my tub to soak in vinegar and baking soda. As these items soak, I'm going to tackle organizing underneath my sink. Who else gets excited when they see cleaning supplies? I'm not sure when the change happened for me, but I was just curious who else shares the same feelings.
Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love.
Y'all, I am liking this Target cleaning spray to clean daily items in my kitchen and dining table, and it's less than $3. Go ahead, Target.
All night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
So I'm just placing this mat that I picked up at Big Lots underneath my sink.
Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. There isn't anything I wouldn't do to prove that everything I say is true. And if you let me, I'll keep loving you. I just can't.
I'm going to use Dollar Tree storage containers to start housing things.
Love me again, you're all I need. Can you love me again? Come on, love me.
Okay friends, I just wanted to share a motivating tip. If you are like me and deep cleaning is not your best friend, just commit to cleaning one thing for 10 minutes. This will either spark you to clean more or just feeling accomplished that you got something done. I'm telling you, 10 minutes makes a world of difference at whatever you're doing. As you guys can see, I'm taking things in and out just to see what works best for me.
You're gonna love me again, love me again. Yeah, I paid my dues to show you I'm not the same. It has cost me much, but I would do it again. So baby, come on, love me again, love me again.
And here is the finished look. Y'all, I am so happy with it. To start deep cleaning my sink, I'm going to put up the dishes in my dishwasher and begin washing what's in my sink.
Come on, love me the way you did. I just can't change my emotions.
Next, we're moving on to the sink, and I want to do a 2-round sink clean. I'm going to use baking soda to help me clean my black synthetic thing that catches all food. I want to scrub that really well because, as you guys can see, it's super gross. So I just want to make sure that I get all the little crevices and cracks, and just to make sure that I'm getting everything that I can.
I just can't change my emotions. Love, there isn't anything I wouldn't do to prove that everything you say is.
After I'm done, I'm going to use my baking soda and vinegar to clean the garbage disposal drain. Also, I'm going to use my soapy sink mixture just to wipe down, really make sure that my sink is thoroughly clean. Heading over to clean my stove top with kitchen degreaser. Once I remove my drip pans, I place them in the tub to soak with my oven racks. Now, actually moving on to where we started in the beginning, I cannot wait to show you the before and after and just how easy it was to wipe this oven clean. However, be prepared for this to get messy. I had a plastic bag next to me just to throw away the bits. I've not done a proper oven clean since Thanksgiving. I know, super gross, but it was just so good to get it clean. I did run the oven, although I didn't use any harsh chemicals, but I just wanted to burn off any of the fumes from the vinegar and the cleaners. I cleaned the floors to give this kitchen the final perfect touch, and I'm so happy with what I got accomplished, and I hope you found this motivating. 4 hours later, y'all, and your girl is finally done deep cleaning her kitchen. That oven was a fun task to do, but it feels good. It looks great. It's so shiny and it's so clean. Give me a like if you like this video, and comment below on some things that you're going to tackle in your home. And girlfriend, if we're not friends yet, why are we not friends? We're girlfriends. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, you guys, stay beautiful.